All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company, out here East Harbor State Park, beautiful park. And what I want to profile, want to highlight here, check out this 30 by 60 pavilion we built. And boy, this is a beautiful park. So if you're ever up around the lake, Marblehead, Ohio, Lake Erie, stop in. But you can see here, 30 by 60, green roof, and then also a clay sidewall, if we want to call it that. But you can see we did the knee bracing on the 6x6 post. Fairly simple, but 30 by 60. And then underneath there, put this white liner panel underneath there, as you can see there. But a nice pavilion. We'll come back up here and we'll knock out the concrete as well. But you can see this is a beautiful, beautiful park. So a great getaway for those that are stressed out, and who's not stressed out. But you can see right there, beautiful white liner panel there. 30 by 60. 30 by 60 pavilion. Polebarn style pavilion. Built right here, East Harbor State Park. So, need a pole barn, need a pavilion, give us a call. Attica Lumber, 49426-BARN. And you can see that's actually a different color right there, but that fits the theme of what they got going on. They got all kinds of buildings going on up here at East Harbor State Park. But this pole barn pavilion will obviously blends in well and provides the, I think this is actually going to be like a bird watching pavilion for the folks up here. So for more information, atticalumber.com. Keep following the journey. Like the video, give it a thumbs up. But 30 by 60 pole barn pavilion built by Attica Lumber.